Welcome to our Link G4x Training Part 2. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at working with our page layouts. Our page layouts are how we display the information on our laptop screen when we're within the PCLink software. If we want to go in and tune our main field table, we want to see that we have our main field table on the screen, as well as our live data that's being streamed out of our Link G4x, and our log data if we want to play back a data log. So whether we're going to be doing live kind of tuning or logged information and going in and changing our tune, we want to have everything available on the screen. In order to do that, we have to create a custom page layout for the tuning task that we're going to be working with. So I'm going to show you how to create a custom page layout, all the options that we have available to us in the page layout creation process, as well as then taking a look at the master page layout I provided in the training course. Is going to be saving you tons of hours of setup time, and it's going to be something that you probably want to use all times when you're using your PCLink software. So without further wait, let's jump into this video so we can check out how to work with our page layouts.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be taking a look at working with our page layouts in our PCLink software. Our page layouts allow us to display tables, graphs, data logs, live information, all kinds of things we need to work with and access in our tuning and calibration process. Without proper page layouts, we can't properly calibrate a car using our Link software and our Link system. So it's going to be fundamentally important that we understand how to create page layouts, how to edit page layouts. I've given a custom page layout for the training course here that we're going to take a look at a little bit later in the video, but I wanted to introduce the concept of working with page layouts and just generally what you need to know so that if you want to make changes or create your own custom pages, that you're going to be able to do that. Things are going to make a lot more sense. So what we have open here and what we're starting to work with is the default page layout right from Link. We're going to find we have a configuration page. We're going to find we have a tuning page, we have a logging page, and a mixture map page. Now these are the four defaults that they have given us. It is not anywhere near enough information to do any proper calibration, as we're going to be finding here. So this is a starting point, but it's kind of a poor starting point. So we're going to look at how to start to expand on this and start to make some changes and editing changes. So very first thing, let's just click on our tuning page here. We can start to edit this and start to take a look at some of the features or functions within this page. Now, first things first, at the top, it's labeled tuning. We don't want to have it called tuning. We can change the name of that. If we actually go here to right click, we can go to new page. That's going to allow us to create a whole new page. We can go to copy. That'll copy this existing page. We could paste into another page. We could do rename. That's going to allow us to change this name, which would be more suitable for what we're kind of talking about right here, or delete the page if we didn't want to have the page present at all. So it allows us some functionality here as just doing a right click function. We also can go here into layout, and we can also do some other things here. So in layout, we can say new layout. That's going to create a whole completely new layout. We can do load layout. So if you have an existing saved layout file, you can open that up. We're going to look at how to do that when we open up our layout from the training course, the one I provided. So it'll be a little bit later in the video. Save layout as allows you to save this entire layout with all your different sub pages as a file name, which is how I've created our layout for the course. So save layout as is going to be if you make changes, you want to save it, because if you don't save your layout, it won't automatically save it. So if you open up the software, if you made some changes and you don't save it, and the next time you open up the software, it won't have those changes you updated in your windows here. We're going to find we have a new page. That's going to give us a whole brand new page, a delete page, a rename page. Same functionalities we found when we right clicked right onto the actual page itself. We also have here another way we can access and get onto the pages. So we can find, if I click on here for configuration, it jumps me to the configuration page. Now I alternatively can go here and just click on the actual page I want to look at. That makes a little bit more sense in the situation where you only have a handful of pages. If you have 30 pages, 20 pages, it's going to be hard to scroll across here and find the page that you want. You're going to find at some point, if you add enough pages on, there's going to be arrows up here that's going to allow you to scroll across and toggle into the pages you want to see. Alternative to that, you go here to layout, jump right into all of your different page layouts. So it would have the gigantic vertical list of all the pages that you want to see. You could just simply click on that, allow you to jump right to that page that you want to work with. So that simplifies things a little bit. Right now it's not really relevant, but it's good to know that that is there, that you can start to jump in and take a look at your pages that way as well. Let's jump back here to tuning page. Now, in this situation, I've mentioned this in the previous video, everything's pretty small on my screen. Now on this laptop, I'm running Windows 10. You may or may not be experiencing this issue where everything is kind of shrunk down and almost unusable on your actual page layout and your window size. Now I have another laptop, it's a Windows 7 laptop. It doesn't look like this, everything's open a little bit more, a little bit bigger on the screen. Not a big deal, but I wanted to point that out that for whatever reason, my Windows 10 laptop here is creating this issue for me. So we need to first and foremost rescale and resize the size of the actual tables. So for example here, my fuel table, I need to go and open this up to a larger size because from 0 to 2000 and from -100 to -55 in our map pressure, that is not going to be enough resolution in the table to really do anything. I need to see the larger portion of the table. So right now, if I try to grab the screen, grab here on the corner and try to stretch it out, it doesn't allow me to do anything. I need to unlock the table in order to change the size or change the position of this table or function on my screen. So if you look on the upper right-hand corner, we're going to have this little kind of X icon. If I click that, that unlocks the table, allows me to do a couple different things. We can see now we have this multi-direction crosshatch.
Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.